How to be a successful freelancer. 10 secrets that no one will tell you. Identify your skills. Know what services you can offer. Build a portfolio. Create samples of your work to show potential clients. Set up your workspace. Get the tools and space you need. Choose a business structure. Decide how you'll operate legally. Set your rates. Research and determine what to charge. Find clients. Network, use freelance platforms, and market yourself. Draft contracts. Outline work, deadlines, and payment terms. Manage finances. Track income, expenses, and set aside money for taxes. Promote yourself. Use a website and social media to attract clients. Keep learning. Stay updated and improve your skills. Thanks you for watch this video. Don't forget subscribe.